Do you want to remove all tag posts on Facebook? You can delete all tag posts on Facebook at once with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to remove all tag posts on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Before we dive into the video, I've added some helpful tools and app links in the description box below. Be sure to check them out after watching this video. To remove all the posts you've been tagged in on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, select Settings. You'll now see lots of Facebook settings. Scroll down to the Your Activities section and tap on Activity Log. Here, you'll see a new screen with different sections. Tap on your Facebook activity, then scroll down to the activity you're tagged in section. From the expanded menu, tap on Posts and Comments you're tagged in. Now, you'll see all the posts and comments where someone has tagged you. From here, select the posts you want to remove. If you want to delete all tagged posts and comments, just tap All to select. Once you've made your selections, tap Remove Tags at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just confirm by tapping Remove, and those tagged posts will be removed from your profile. Now, your tagged posts are now hidden from your Facebook profile.